Good morning, everybody. It's your boy 1LT Vaughn here. It's about 7:58 in the morning, and today's gonna be an exciting day. So I'll be taking you guys to the car meet today. Got my boy Monte with me today. He'll be taking his car with us. It's around 9:30, so we'll see you guys around, say 9:15. And yeah, let's get this day started. Let's go. Okay, so right now, me and Monte, we're about to head. He has to go get gas, so we're gonna go get some gas. He's gonna stop and get his coffee. As you guys can tell, I sort of cheated. From there, we're gonna head out to the meet, and yeah. All right, you guys, we made it to the gas station. Monte's out there filling up, and I can't just explain how excited I am today. You know, just being around the guys. Hopefully some of the homies pull up. All right, guys, we made it to the car meet. We are pretty early here, say 15-20 minutes before everybody gets here. But once more people come in, we'll go ahead and cut the camera back on. What's that? Yes, sir.
That just showed up here.
So I didn't let you guys know that I went ahead and ordered a spoiler, and today is the day it will be getting installed. So I'll be heading out in a few minutes, but I'm not going to tell you guys what spoiler I added. That's just going to be the surprise for you guys. And we're back from the mechanics. Sadly, they wouldn't let me stick around, let me record, so we got it now. That's what it looked like.
You're gonna get another key. That's it. I'd have to get a whole nother key or call a locksmith to get my car.
Came out very clean, so shout out to Salvador's shop for installing it, and we're gonna catch you on the next one.